Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing a little bit of a Black Friday haul. Now, I don't want this to come off as braggy. I am very much aware of what is going on in the world right now. I know for a lot of people, it is very difficult to pay your bills but also feed yourself. So I know Black Friday hauls can maybe come off as a little bit tone deaf. I'm not trying to brag or anything. I just thought this would make kind of an interesting video. And I saw on Instagram, so one of the people that I follow, they were sponsored by Hot Topic and they were having a $12 t-shirt Black Friday sale. So I decided to jump on that and I ordered quite a bit new t-shirts, and they are all kind of like horror movie tees and band tees, because if you know me, that is literally all I wear. And Jeffree Star hoodies. That's literally all I freaking wear. So I did want to film a little bit of a Black Friday haul for you guys and show you all of the t-shirts that I got. If this does come off offensive in any way, I truly, from the bottom of my heart, I do apologize. I'm not trying to kind of convey that. I'm not trying to come off as like a braggy bitch. I do understand that it is very, very difficult for people during these rough times. A lot of people have been laid off. A lot of people lost their jobs. A lot of people are still trying to get unemployment. And if this video is going to make you upset, you don't have to watch. But for those of you who just want to kind of escape the reality of the world right now and you want to see some of the cool t-shirts that I got, then this is the video for you. So I went on Hot Topic and I ordered quite a few t-shirts. So I have this huge pack right here. This is 7 pounds! 7 pounds of t-shirts, and I also have one right here because for whatever reason this one single tee shipped separately from the rest of them. I don't really know. And I do know that there is going to be one missing from here because one of them that I did order ended up being on back order. So Lord only knows when the hell that's going to show up. The shirt that was on back order and I wasn't sure when it was going to arrive. Well, it arrived a couple days ago, weeks later, and it is this shirt right here, just the Stephen King Pet Cemetery shirt. Look how cute this is. Thankfully it showed up in time, and I'm just adding this little clip in so I can show you guys the final shirt that I got. I absolutely love this one. The back is just plain gray. So I'm just gonna, good thing I brought scissors. Right when I open it up, here are all of the t-shirts that we have in here. There are so many in here. I want to say there's like 13. Okay, so I think the very first one that I'm going to show you guys is the one that shipped separately, this little like loose guy right here. And okay, so I saw this and I had to have it. They had many different kinds of this type of t-shirt, but this one just really spoke to me. So the very first one I got is this Michael Myers t-shirt. It says John Carpenter's Halloween, and it says trick or treat or die, and it has Michael Myers right there with the knife. Oh my gosh, this one is just perfect. I think what I liked most about it is that it said John Carpenter's Halloween. I don't know, I really like that. I don't have a Michael Myers shirt like this, so this one I definitely had to pick up. All of these were $12 for the Black Friday sale, and every single size that I got small, medium. I'm someone who likes to have a little bit more of like a baggy t-shirt type vibe. Very rarely will you ever see me wear anything that's super form-fitting because I'm all about comfort. In my late 20s, like, I don't want to show off my body shape. I want to be comfortable and snuggly. You guys know how I feel about Michael Myers. Okay, this next t-shirt that I got is actually a Christmas gift, so I'm going to throw that off to the side because I don't want to show it on camera, because for the person that's for, they watch my videos and we're not allowing that. Alright, moving on to the next one. Oh yeah, bitch. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So recently this year, Marilyn Manson came out with a new album titled We Are Chaos, which, by the way, holy shit, that album is absolutely amazing. My top 3 favorite songs off that album are Red, Black, and Blue, and We Are Chaos, obviously, and what's the other one? Broken Needle. Oh my gosh, those 3 songs are so amazing. And I saw this on Hot Topic's website, and I was like, Yes, 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 yes. And it is actually the cover of the album. So here's what this one looks like. It just says Marilyn Manson, and then We Are Chaos down at the bottom here. Now, this one is a small medium, but I'm wondering if this is a male's small medium, because this one looks a little bit bigger than the Michael Myers one that I just showed you. So this one does seem a little bit bigger, but that's okay. His music just speaks to me and so many other people. Ooh. It's amazing, and if you have not heard his new album yet, you need to go check it out, like, right the fuck now, because it's awesome. And I'm pretty sure he actually did this painting kind of like a self-portrait of himself, which I think is really cool. Marilyn Manson is actually a really talented artist, for those of you who don't know. Alright, the next one, okay, this one is probably the one that I'm most looking forward to. I'm going to save this one for last because it's probably my favorite one out of the whole bunch. So we're going to come back to that one. The next one, we have another band tee, and this one, I saw it and I had to have it, and it is, of course, the infamous, the amazing Slipknot. I love this shirt so much, you guys. Oh my gosh, you have no idea. So here is what the front of this one looks like, and then on the very back, it has the Slipknot S logo right here, and then on the bottom it says, "We are not your kind." I actually went and saw them maybe like a year, not even a year, maybe a year ago now. I went and saw Slipknot for the first time, and if I have never felt so liberated at a concert before. That was one of the best concerts I've ever been to. It was outdoors. It was in the middle of the summer. It started pouring rain. We were headbanging in the fucking rainstorm listening to Slipknot. It was literally, and I think it was actually to We Are Not Your Kind. I think it was actually to that song. And that was literally like one of the best feelings and one of the best moments that I will probably ever have in my life. Definitely one of my top favorite memories was seeing Slipknot in concert. I honestly don't even know when we're gonna ever be able to have a concert again, which honestly could like make me tear up if I think about it too much, but oh man, do I miss going to concerts. Holy shit. Is anyone else with me? Anyone else out there? Do you guys miss concerts as well? Because I sure as fuck do. This next one is also kind of like it's kind of like an inside joke between me and my sister, and it's like a very nostalgic shirt for me, and that is just this generic band tee of course, the Misfits. Ta-da! I had to have this shirt. I freaking love Misfits t-shirts now. Don't get me wrong, I'm doing the thing. I'm not like a die-hard, fan of the Misfits. I don't know all of their songs. I don't know all of the members. I'm not usually like that with bands anyway. I'm not like, oh my god, it's the Misfits. But I do have a few of their songs that every time I hear them, it just kind of like brings me back from the dead. And those two songs are Saturday Night and Scream. I love those songs so freaking much. And there's actually an inside joke between me and my sister with the song Saturday Night. And that's kind of why I got this, because when I saw this t-shirt on the website, it instantly made me think of it. So for the longest time back in like 2008, I was obsessed with the song Saturday Night by the Misfits. I literally listened to it all the time, always had it on repeat. And one day me and my sister were hanging out and I was like, oh my gosh, Brooke, you have to hear this song. It's by the Misfits and it's really good. I want you to hear it. And if you guys have ever heard that song, at the very end of the song, it goes like, you know what, I'm just going to show you. So at the very end of the song, they kind of drag out this certain note, okay? And it's this note right here. Right here. Now, mind you, Brooke has never heard that song before, and that's how the song ends. And I was showing it to her, and as the song was ending, she hung on to that note and literally sung the whole note like she knew the song. I hope I'm making sense here, but she was like, "Night!" And I was like, have you heard this song before? And she was like, no, it just sounded right. We just started dying laughing. So when it comes to the Misfits, I always think of me and my sister. Alrighty, the next one, ooh, we have another Marilyn Manson tee. And this one is actually a cover art of one of my all-time favorite albums by Marilyn Manson. And that is the Eat Me, Drink Me album cover. This was around 2007, 2008 Marilyn Manson era. And oh, okay, first of all, he was the most attractive in this era for me personally. Like, I would have tore his shit up. I love this album. My favorite song off this album is Evidence. If you guys have never heard it, it's the sexiest song ever. You need to listen to it. And on the back, it just says Marilyn Manson right at the top. I'm such a Marilyn Manson fan, you guys. Like, I'm so fucking diehard. So that is that shirt. And I think the next shirt that I think I'm gonna pull out is a horror movie t-shirt, and it sure as fuck is. Okay, so this one do I even own? Oh my god, I don't even think I own a, like, Friday the 13th Jason Voorhees shirt. I could be wrong, but I don't think I do. So this next one I had to have because it's just, oh, bitch. And it is the Friday the 13th Jason Voorhees shirt. Oh, bitch. It's so freaking cool. Like, why have I not got this yet? And again, I think this is a male's small medium because it does feel a little bit bigger than some of the other ones, but you know me, I'm totally okay with that. The baggier the better. So basically we just have Jason's hockey mask right here with the red Friday the 13th letters, and then the back is just plain black right there. The next shirt is another horror movie shirt, and I actually just got this movie in a horror pack unboxing, so when I saw this shirt, I had to have it. And it is, of course, the Stephen King t-shirt of Carrie right here, and it says Carrie White for Prom Queen 1976. If you guys have never seen the original Carrie movie by Stephen King, or based off the novel by Stephen King, what the fuck are you doing with your life? But I do not own a Carrie White horror movie t-shirt, so I wanted to add this one to my collection, and I think it's super cool. I do wish that you could see more of her face. Guys, we have 3 t-shirts left and have another Marilyn Manson t-shirt. I told you guys, I love Marilyn Manson, dude. I don't fuck around. And this one, I actually recently, okay, so not recently, but I did a makeup look inspired by this picture. If you guys do follow me on Instagram, if you don't, what the fuck are you doing? Link is down below. I did this Marilyn Manson inspired makeup look, almost a year ago now, and I had a lot of fun with this. And the picture that I went off of, I actually found it on Hot Topic's website in the t-shirt form, and that is this guy right here. Ta-da! This is like one of the most popular and one of the most famous pictures of Marilyn Manson, in my opinion. Like, when you see this face, you know exactly who it is. You have the really dramatic, overdrawn lips. You have the eye contact. It's just, you know who this is, okay? So when I saw this shirt, I had to have it. Good old Marilyn Manson, classic t-shirt. It just occurred to me, I'm gonna have to go to the store later and get some more hangers. Alright guys, and then the last 2 t-shirts that I have are horror movie t-shirts, and this one is super cool. Again, I don't think I actually own a horror movie t-shirt with this specific character on it, but when I saw it, I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it for my collection. And that is this Nightmare on Elm Street t-shirt with the infamous Freddy Krueger on there, and on the bottom it says, "Welcome to my nightmare." This is so cool. I absolutely love the black and the lime green colors. Just absolutely amazing. And then we have Freddy right here. I can't, there's just something about horror movie and band t-shirts that just get me all sorts of wet and mushy down there. They're so fucking cool, and I can't wait to wear this. Like, now when I get dressed in the morning, it's gonna take me like 20-30 minutes to decide which shirt I want to wear. Alright guys, and then the very last t-shirt is from the very first horror movie that I have ever seen, and if you guys know me very well, I want you to take a guess right now. What t-shirt do you think this is? What horror movie? Remember, it was the very first one I've ever seen, and this was the movie that inspired my love for other horror movies. Any guesses? Go ahead. I'll give you time. I'll give you time. If you guys guessed The Exorcist, then you would be right. Yay! I was almost done shopping on Hot Topic, okay? I was like, you know what? I have more than enough. But I was like, well, let me just keep scrolling. Let me see what else I can find. And I saw this shirt. And I think, if I can remember correctly, I think I audibly screamed when I saw this shirt because it's the creepiest, the coolest shirt ever, and I know if my dad was alive, he would love this shirt a lot. So I had to pick it up. I think I was like 7 years old when I first saw that movie, and it scared the living shit out of me. Honestly, I think I had nightmares for like 5 years about that movie, but it honestly like sparked something inside me, and it was like, wow, I actually really like horror movies. Like, that's kind of fucked up. I kind of like fucked up. This shirt right here. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my gosh, you guys, this shirt is so cool. As you can see at the top, it says, "You're gonna die" up there, and if you remember from the movie, you know exactly what part of the movie this is from. The only thing I don't understand is why there's an exclamation point at the end of there, because the way Reagan says it in the movie, she, in a very calm, you know, docile voice, she says, "You're gonna die up there." You know, she doesn't really scream it, but I guess they put it there to go along with this picture. This scene in the movie was probably when the movie really kind of picks up and gets really kind of spooky, is this scene right here. And then on the back, it just says, "The Exorcist." Oh, it's so fucking cool. Like, I want to wear this right now. You're gonna die up there, bitch. And those are all of the t-shirts that I got for the Hot Topic Black Friday sale. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing this video. I also had a lot of fun shopping, not gonna lie. Let me know down in the comments which t-shirt is your favorite, and also let me know if you guys did any Black Friday shopping either at Hot Topic or another store, and if you didn't, that's totally okay. For any of you out there that are struggling during these hard times and you're feeling a little bit more down and depressed during the holiday seasons, please know that I love you very, very much, and I am sending all of you virtual hugs and kisses from 6 feet away. It'll get better, it always does. Just keep your head up, bring in positive vibes or prayers or whatever it is you do. Just keep your head up, stay strong. I love you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you go down and give me a huge thumbs up. It would greatly help me out a lot, and I would really, really appreciate it. If you are new to my channel and this is the first video of mine that you are seeing, make sure you go down and hit that red subscribe button, become a part of the family. I would absolutely love to have you here. But as for the rest of you, I love you guys so, so much. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever the case may be. I love you guys, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.